Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be an unboxing. So excited for this package. Where to start? Okay, so this is the package right here. Huge. Drunk elephant. So excited. An elephant walks into a bar. So pretty, love the colors. And then it's just open it. Look at this beautiful bag. Such a gorgeous bag. I love the neon colors. Love the see-through. Pretty, and this thing's heavy, and it says Drunk Elephant right here. This thing is huge. Oh my goodness. I got so many goodies in here. Woo! So many. Let me see if I can lift it up. Look at how cool. Luxury facial oil. This one. I love the way the boxes look. And this one is the facial oil right here. Love the packaging. Ooh, so it's just oil for the face. It says apply 2 to 3 drops to face, neck, chest, hands, cuticles, backs of arms, or any place needing increased moisture without any grease. Okay, next is this Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I need all the hydration I can get. So this is a hydration serum. I just love the packaging, and then so that's how you open it. And it comes out right there. So this one is suggested use, apply to face, neck, chest, hands, or any place needing increased hydration. Airplane. So you can mix this with any Drunk Elephant serum, cream, or oil to lock it in. So I guess you can use this hydration serum with this facial oil, mix it together. Next is this TLC Baby Facial Resurface and Reveal. It's this cute little guy right here. And the bumper right here. And this one is use once weekly, apply an even layer to clean dry skin, leave on for 20 minutes, rinse thoroughly with a warm water and pat dry. Follow immediately with the oil for best results. Slightly tingly make the experience. So you can use these two together. So this is a mask, and then in this little guy it comes with a mini facial oil. The mini facial oil. Next is this Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. Moisturizer right here. Huge. This thing is huge. And then you open it up and then you just pump it up. It's like one of those pumps. I don't want to squeeze any out. And that one says apply morning and night to clean dry skin for vital dose of protein and replenishing support. The skin needs to retain its youthful appearance. Ooh. We like to mix it up, so add a shot of Proteiny to any Drunk Elephant product. I like that you can mix everything up. So we have a day serum, Firma Day Serum. Oh my god, I love that it's orange. This one right here. And another one that opened up like that. And this one says, in the morning apply evenly to clean dry face, neck, chest, and back of hands. Tips: formulation has a resistant effect, which means it will stay active on skin for up to 72 hours and cannot be washed or rubbed off. Ooh, that's nice. And then we have a night serum. It says TLC Framboos. And this one is in pink. Same thing, the pump. And this one says, where is it at? In the evening, apply to neck and slightly tingling may be experienced partly for the first few days of application. So same thing, this one you can use with the oil. This one, you can mix these two. Bestie number 9 Jelly Cleanser. I think it's huge. And so many good things about this one. This tube right here. And this one is squeeze into palma and gently massage on wet or dry skin. Add water to lather, rinse well, and pat dry. Use nightly or in alternation with another Drunk Elephant cleanser. Recommend skipping the morning cleanse as it's not necessary if you've cleansed your skin the night before. So if you use this at night, you don't have to do it in the morning. Cool. And then lastly is this Daily Defense. So it's a sunscreen. Ooh, that's nice. So that's SPF 30. Always need that sunscreen. Every morning, apply evenly onto face, neck, chest, back of hands before 15 minutes of sun exposure. Oh my goodness. So I'm so excited, and also I'm excited about so excited to try all this. But I also want to mention that for Sephora, this year for birthdays, you can pick from 2 gifts, of course. Kat Von D one, I already tried the Kat Von D stuff, but also Drunk Elephant stuff. So it comes with the Proteiny cream and the jelly cleanser. My birthday is January 31st, so I picked this up, and it comes with minis. Let me get this up. So these 2 minis. How perfect is that to try out? So I recommend you pick this Drunk Elephant products for your birthday gift. These are a must try. Thank you so much, Drunk Elephant, for sending me all these goodies to try out. I cannot wait to dip my face into all this. My skincare is gonna be on point this year. I'm gonna look younger. Just kidding. Maybe, who knows? So that completes this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.